In the world of crypto, seconds are the difference between the jackpot and the rank ball. Welcome back to Tech Zone. We are don't follow the market, we are stay ahead of it. Today I am uncovering an early access opportunity for Arc-Astra-Network. As you see, first, if you are not subscribed this project yet, just subscribe on it, and I will let the referral link for this project down in description box. You have to subscribe right now because early access, good profit. Right now we speak about smart money, so let's continue speak about smart money. Arc-Astra-Network, as you see here, they joined in December 2025 and they launched the project in the first quarter of 2026, actually in March, in the 1st of March. Right now you see in the right side the application, and it's a 24-hour mining. As you see here down, the ratio of mining, it's about 40 cents, so it's less, but I think it will be lesser in the future. So you have to join right now. For the application, here the main menu, if you join it and open it, you will find a wallet. And this good news because the wallet, it's really stay connected with the mining app, so actually you will see your mining balance, but you have to say it's about available balance. It's zero. That's meaning there are a migrate or there are something missing step. We will wait until they announce about the ecosystem as it's written here in X. But the important thing here is that you have a wallet address and you can send it, but we waiting for the smart contract. Right now the amount is zero, so it's not a problem at all. Oh, for the other stuff and other things, we can speak about the roadmap, and don't waste your time about white paper and the equation of rate. First, to join Arc-Astra system, you will network. You will find it on Google Play, and also you will find it in App Store. Them total target right now for total users, they target 1 million. We are right now almost 50,000, so it's a very improvement. They have it or they develop it themselves for the audience. Very good. When we go down, we will see the vision as it's written here. Also, the most important thing about roadmap, the roadmap, to make the video more shorter for you, it will take 1 year. So that's meaning we can continue mining this application for 1 year. They're not speaking actually here about KYC until now, or know your customer. But the most important thing is they speaking about quarter 4 in 2026, they will launching the coin, and in 2027 it's about metaverse and about some other stuff. Right now they speaking about for structures that the total supply it's 50 billion, that and 80% for us, for the community, and the rest for pool mechanism and team development, and community will driven, or community is the leader. For now I think it's good. They have a good vision and a good roadmap. They missed the price right now. They're not speaking about the price until now, and also the way we will get our coin, and also we missed the KYC. will do it or not. Focus in the next part, because this is where 90% of traders fail. I haven't done for you a Tech Zoom blogger. You can find the full technical breakdown I have done from our video. Provide smart contract, KYC and tokenomics for all coin we are mining. So it's officially in Tech Zone blogger. You will find it in description box under the video. To stay connected with us, you will find our Telegram for instant alpha and real-time alerts. Also our Facebook for daily market beats and quick news. Don't waste time searching for links for application and other things, because you will find with us. So right now, guys, you have a chance right now with Arc-Astra-Network, but you have to remember that the math is simple. Early entry, maximum profit. We aren't just a new channel, we are your alpha source. If this video gave you an valuable information, hit the like button and ring the bell. Our next video is likely opportunity you have been waiting for you. At Tech Zone, we arrived before the crowd, and the crowd is arriving right now. Stay early, stay profitable. See you in the next one.